Today, you will learn how to remove picture border in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Sometimes when you insert a picture in Word, it may have a border around it. Maybe you added the border yourself earlier, or maybe someone else added it in the document. If you want a clean image without any border, you can remove it in just a few clicks. First, open your Word document. Now, click on the image whose border you want to remove. When you click on the picture, you will see small circles around it. That means the picture is selected. Now, look at the top of your screen. A new tab will appear called Picture Format. In some older versions of Word, it may simply say Format. Click on the Picture Format tab. Next, look for the Picture Styles section. Inside this section, you will see an option called Picture Border. Click on the small arrow next to Picture Border. A menu will open with different colors and options. To remove the border completely, simply click No Outline. And just like that, the border around your image will disappear. Now your picture will look clean without any border. Sometimes the border you see is actually part of the image itself. This means the border was added when the image was created, not inside Word. In that case, Word cannot remove the border directly, but there is a simple trick you can try. Click on the image and go to the Picture Format tab again. Then click Crop. You can crop the edges of the picture slightly to remove a simple border. If the border is still there, you may need to edit the image using an image editor like Photoshop or any free photo editor. After editing, insert the new image back into your Word document. That's it. Very simple. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning Microsoft Word. See you in the next easy tutorial.